today we're going to show you how to make our festive vegan sausage stuffing balls. These are a delicious trimming. They've got a great texture as well.
They're sort of like chewy and delicious, sort of juicy.
Yeah, really nice. Got that sort of meaty texture. So
beautiful sage, isn't it?
Oh, absolutely delicious. And they've got the obligatory chestnuts for Christmas. So we are really excited to show you these.
Yum. Let's get cooking.
And now we're going to make the stuffing balls. So just going to pick up a little handful, about this much, and squeeze it into a nice ball. Bit odd shaped, that's fine. Bit like that. I'm going to put it into the tray. Okay, so here are the stuffing balls. As you can see, they are nicely browned out of the oven. Let's pick one up. Okay, that looks nice and delicious. Yeah, they are ready to serve. So the vegan sausage stuffing balls are ready. Here they are. They look absolutely delicious. Should we try one?
Yes, please.
We'll share one. Let's have it's nice and done on the outside. Here you go, try a little bit of that.
Oh, the smell of sage and delicious.
Oh, I can smell the sage, that's lovely, isn't it? Mmm.
Very good. Mmm. These are amazing. Wow. So,
and they taste nice and meaty, they've got great texture,
yeah.
So it's absolutely brilliant.
Really yummy. Sage and onion. Delicious.
Chestnutty, absolutely delicious. So there it is, the vegan sausage stuffing ball. I hope you like it and I hope you enjoy your festivities.
And don't forget to like and to share and to tell all your friends.
And please subscribe to our Vegan Larder YouTube channel.
Thank you.
See you soon. Bye.